Yeah, this is so sweet. I just came in the kitchen and, well, actually I just got home and came in the kitchen and this was on the counter with this note. Now, I love sweet stuff, and we had all had our different kinds of cookies. My husband had the chocolate macadamia. Is that what it was? Chocolate macadamia?
Mm-hmm.
Did it have nuts in it?
Yeah.
And then I had oatmeal raisin.
Not chocolate macadamia, but macadamia with nuts.
Macadamia with nuts. And then I had oatmeal raisin, and Stephen had these chocolate chip cookies. Well, I went in his cookies, so he hid them. So I guess he's done with them now. And he left me this note that said, "You can have my CC cookie, Mom. This is the last one." Isn't that sweet? See, that's the stuff I'm going to miss when my baby gone. Okay, baby, since you say I can have a cookie. He said I can have a cookie, so I got to eat the cookie. I be trying to do right with my eating, but sometimes they just won't let me be great.
That's a big cookie to have to get in on. God almighty, that's
You
a
want some?
doggone Ferris wheel.
You want some?
Nope.
Hey guys.
Oh, you gonna actually do a video for real?
I'm gonna act like it's a video.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Whatever. Hey guys, so here's my shirt. Just got done working out. I know I'm not dude number one, but I'm something like him though. I'm close to him. I'm close enough. But as you all know, we've been quarantined, so I've been working out at home a whole lot lately when I come to like shooting. And over time, my net been kind of wore down a little bit. So like now when I shoot, if I shoot a shot, it'll do like that, or it'll go like on the other side, and where I can't tell like if I made it or not. It'll do like that, and that's not what we want. So today's video is dude number 2 putting up his net where his basketball goes. Trying to tell you, my mom is on like a YouTube crazy thing right now. So any and every video she can record, she is recording. Please trust and believe when I say that.
I'm going YouTube crazy?
Yes, it's getting to a point I have to ask if I can use the bathroom in peace. So, you know, but hey.
You helping your mom be great, baby.
Yeah, just help my mom be great. That's all it is. So, what I'm doing, taking this old net down. Hold on. There you go. So, taking this old net down and putting up a new one.
It's hot out here, too.
You don't want that anymore.
Be gone.
You don't want that anymore. So, parents went and got me a, got thick that is.
And you know, they were out at Walmart. So we yeah, they were totally out. So we got those nets from Hibbett Sports.
They were out at Walmart? That's crazy.
But those are the better nets from Hibbett Sports.
These are super thick. I don't think I've ever had a net this thick. So, this is going to be our new net right here. You know. And what you want to do, you want to take the longer parts. That's the part that you want to hang on the goal. So, this is where the ball going to come out at. So, we don't want that part. Those are too short. Oh, gosh, that bee was huge. So, take the longer parts. Put that on the net. Whoa, this is super thick.
That's what you want, though, right?
Yeah.
So you're getting them around the little hooks.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's super thick. Let's see. See if we can improvise. Try to use this.
What you doing? A stick?
Yeah, to get the net through. Tell you what, if you ever want to get a net, go to Hibbett Sports.
Oh, you know you like it already?
Man, these nets are super thick, which is good because it means it'll last longer. Dang.
Do you need dude number 1?
Nah.
It's just that they're so thick.
Yeah. So when putting up a net, I just found inside a little secret. instead of trying to hook it around, it's like a little hook right here. Make sure the net goes under. Instead of trying to hook it around there, what you want to do, just pull the net down and just straighten it out. So I'll show you what I'm talking about in a little bit. So you got the net through. See that? And instead of hooking it around like that, it'd be harder. Just pull it down like this. Pull it down like that, and then straighten it out. Hold on. And then makes it easier to hook it on. So, are we moving now? We're moving now, Ma.
I'm glad you figured it out.
Boom, pull it down.
Dude number one gonna say he would have been had the net up.
Huh?
Dude number one, Daddy gonna say he would have been had the net up.
Oh, well, you know, you can't always have things fast in life. Sometimes you have to be patient.
That's true, baby. That's true.
You know? Because if your chickens aren't mooing and your horses aren't clucking, but at the end of the day, your snakes won't be barking.
What?
If your chickens aren't mooing and your horses aren't clucking, then at the end of the day, your snakes won't be barking. You know? That's just some wisdom.
What are you talking
That's
about?
just some wisdom for the people.
You acting like your daddy now.
That's just some wisdom. I told you, I'm not dude number one, but I'm something like him.
Yeah, you did. I'm gonna tell you, but this is just funny because I didn't expect you to do a video. I was just gonna video you putting the nets up. Didn't know how I was gonna use it, but you came out here to do a full-fledged video for the people. What y'all think about that, America?
Well, you gotta give America what they want to see. You know? So if you wanna do a video, then you gonna do a video. You can't just halfway do a video. That's not a video then. People ain't gonna see that. Can't see a video, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a video. We got 2 more. And then I can work out. You can't work out when your net is broke, because then it just won't feel right, you know? Plus, when you're getting a gaining net, not gonna be broke. So, the way that you play, or the way that you practice, is the way that you play.
Y'all, I'm gonna miss my dude. He's getting ready to leave us and go to college. Oh my goodness. He says I'm gonna be a basket case. But this is what he has worked and trained so hard for.
And we are
Done.
boom. We done.
You have,
Done, Mom.
have to pull on it like that to make sure we right.
Yeah, pull on and make sure everything is straight. Punch it and straighten them out. Boom. Hold on. So, don't stop it yet. So now, I let it back up. Now, that's what we want. That's what we want. See if I get it free though.
Yeah.
That's what we want right there. again for joining MyDude number 2. I had to put a basketball net up. Hope you enjoy it. So now, remember the trick I told you. So once you get through the little hole, pull it down. Make sure it's down all the way and straighten it out. Boom.
Can you give some words of wisdom for all of the aspiring basketball players out there?
Some words of wisdom?
Yes.
Okay.
Working hard, training hard, being consistent, something.
Working hard, training hard, being consistent. There it is. Work hard, train hard. No, I'm playing. One of the things that I just did is just, honestly just trust God and just work hard. Like, don't worry about what other people might say. Don't worry about what everybody is thinking. Just keep working hard. Just keep pushing yourself every day. And don't worry about none of the critics. Don't worry about the haters. Don't worry about the exposure that other people are getting. Just focus on you and just focus on getting yourself better every day. Because at the end of the day, like, it'll pay off. And like, once you have that opportunity, because that opportunity will come up. Once you have that opportunity, like, you work so hard for it that you're ready for it, you know. And like, you're ready to perform in that area. So once the opportunity comes up, and you'll know it too. Like, you'll know when the opportunity is. So like, once the opportunity comes up, you worked hard for it. That's what you put in all the effort with the running and the lifting and the shooting and all that. So once the opportunity comes up, make the most of it. And don't forget to give God his praise at the end of the day. So we out of here.